Right now the baby is 14.5 inches long, probably, and about the size of a head of cauliflower. And I guess like she's supposed to have eyelids now that like open and shut, and supposedly she sleeps and wakes at regular intervals. I think that's true because like now and then I feel like she's sleeping with me. Oof. I posted an Instagram of like some throwback pictures and videos of like when I was acting and modeling and stuff, because it is just kind of different and cool seeing that, and getting used to like a larger figure. I've been feeling my hips stretching a little bit, and I've been like wondering if they will grow back. Okay. Okay, so we're trying again. This time we're using sugar. I think that was the missing ingredient. Then this is the very last Nescafe packet from our honeymoon. This is the spoon from our A&A flight. See? Anyway, okay, I boiled some water. So this is roughly 2 tablespoons. Okay. So we used the whole packet. It's in Japanese, so I don't know if it was exact, but I think it's two of these. Okay, and then water. This time it better work. Okay. I mean, something magical is supposed to happen, and it didn't happen the first time. Is it happening?
Maybe. I think you have to do that for like 5 minutes.
Yeah. You looked up the recipe too?
Mm-hmm.
See what I did wrong? But I mean, I thought there was sugar in the creamer. It doesn't substitute sugar, but... And they said it has to be the instant coffee. Maybe there's something about like international Nescafe that's different?
I don't think so. This looks like it's much better than last time.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting whipped. Look at that. Is it whipped?
Keep going.
Did you look up the term Dalgona?
Mm-mm.
So I think it's like a dessert in Asia that like is not this, but it's like a similar whip. Does that look whipped?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. What do we think?
Keep going.
I don't think I'm patient enough for this.
No, you're not.
Ooh. Ooh, it looks like mousse. I guess that's interesting. Tell me when.
Keep going.
Does it look pretty in the video?
Mm.
I don't think you're close enough. Yeah. Still not time yet?
No.
Tell me when.
I will.
I think I need a kiss. Thanks. Is it?
Oh, yeah.
It looks like chocolate mousse though.
It's not thick enough yet.
Ooh. Did you think the measurements were right?
Mm-hmm.
It's funny that some recipes said cold water and some said hot.
Yeah, I don't think it really matters.
Okay, is it ready?
I don't know how thick is it.
Pretty thick.
But it's still like liquidy. It doesn't look like it's whipped.
Maybe I need to hand whip it. I would say this is not quite culinary school, but it's still better than
It
last
probably
time.
tastes about the same.
Yeah. Thank you, Mark, for hand stirring. And that's half almond milk, half real milk. Mark and...
I don't care what they say about her. Martha White's okay. Yeah?
I thought it was like Betty Crocker stuff at first. I've never heard of Martha White before this.
So now what do I do?
A third cup of milk, and then a tablespoon of milk, and we're good.
Okay.
I'm not sure why she wrote that, but that's what the blog says.
So we're just adding a little bit more milk, right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna...
Yeah. Just Just a dash. That's a, okay. You don't have to get me in my robes.
That's good.
So we got distracted cooking, but they look good. Success?
Success.
So we cut up 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, half an onion, and braised that in some cooking oil along with some garlic and little potatoes and carrots. And I put 3 to 4 cups of water with butter blocks, and they are so good. I hope you guys liked the cooking, and yeah, I don't know, this was really nice to just check in. I'll talk to you guys next week, and like and subscribe.